support of
Well,
Carla.
support, of course. Carla, ever supportive yan. Even during those times, those maybe 2 to 3% of my life, no? Doon lang ako nakapag-shoot. Eh. So, she's very supportive. When we travel, sometimes, bigla akong mawawala. Doon ako sa isang sulok. She knows that I saw something. So she'll let me be. She'll wait for me. So that's how she is. That's how supportive she is. And yeah, of course, yung hobby namin, ano siya, hindi siya mura. Hindi naman siya, hindi naman siya nagsasabi na, wag yan, ganito.
Hindi naman nagdi-discourage.
And in return, you're also supportive of Carla.
Of course. Again, whatever it is that she needs, no, for her career and for her health, of course, that's my primary focus para sa kanya. Being a doctor, I've saved so many. Of course, my wife, no, primarily, I need to take care of her.
How's married life? Masaya?
So, yeah, syempre, ayun nga, we're set to beat her record.
7 weeks.
And one
Pagi
day.
na lang.
Actually, it's a day after my birthday. Yung
15.
7.
Ano yun, Valentine's Day.
Uy,
Birthday.
Valentine's Day, may pinaplano na kayo.
Wala pa, kakain sa labas kasi
Yeah,
birthday
ganun
niya. Pero hindi sa 14, sa 30. Kumbaga advance na lang or sa lubong. Yun lang.
At also, nakakatuwa na parang sinusupport mo rin, Doc, yung kanyang other passion,
Ay
which is
naman!
animals.
Super!
No?
Actually, kasi,
mahilig din niya.
kami, we grew up with dogs. I mean, we sleep with, sa bed, kasama namin ng dogs. Ganun kami pinalaki. So, kaya nga, that's one of the things that we have. No, na, very, sa amin yan, very innate na. Pag nakita kami, or nakita kami aso, yan, parehas na kami.
And then, ninibago ka ba, Doc? Parang madami na nakakakita.
Oo nga, sa kanya.
Hindi maniniwasan eh. No?
Meron nang tumitingin sa
Actually,
kanya.
kasi, again, I'm a very private person. Even sa hospital, there are a few people nakakilala
Nakakilala sa
So,
kanya.
it'll take some time before I get used to it. And, yeah.